everyone, this is nutritionist Azra Khan, and in today's video I'm going to share with you a very special video of my client. Meet Smita in this video where I'm going to share with you her personal experience with me when she signed up for my program. Smita has lost over 15 kgs of weight in a span of around 6 months, and her process of transforming is on board. It is ongoing, but her dedication and consistency tempted me to make this video for you. I have recorded a small recording of her with me on a Zoom call so that you can see what is the interaction like, and after that हम आएंगे और स्मिता का ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे जर्नी. उन्होंने कैसे शुरू किया, कहाँ से शुरू किया, अब वो कहाँ है, कि शी इज डेडिकेटेड. आई लव द वे शी इज कंसर्न अबाउट हर हेल्थ, एंड अल्टीमेटली वही तो होता है ना. अगर आप कंसर्न हो अपनी हेल्थ को लेके, यू आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू वर्क ऑन इट. अगर आप आए गया चलता है टाइप्स एनर्जी और हैबिट्स रखोगे, देन आपकी जर्नी उतनी स्मूथ नहीं रहेगी. सो इन ऑर्डर टू गेट दोज काइंड ऑफ रिजल्ट्स, यू हैव टू पुट इन दोज काइंड ऑफ commitments as well. In the journey of 6 months, Smita has gone to certain trips as well. वो वापस आई हैं, still she maintained the weight. उन्होंने कोशिश की कि जहाँ वो जा रही हैं वहाँ पे भी कुछ ज़्यादा overboard ना जाए. वो का ध्यान रखा, अपने पोषण कंट्रोल का ध्यान रखा, and even with traveling on board, still she was able to achieve the results that she did. She took a break for 2 times in this entire 6 months, and in that journey she lost so much weight. Her before and after pictures said out loud कि कितनी ज्यादा डेडिकेशन के साथ she has taken up upon her to fulfill this task.
Without your,
I'm recording the video, okay?
yeah, no problem. Without your kind of, motivation and the guidance and that thing is there na, subah uth ke I have to give you that weight ki हाँ आज इतना हुआ, तो that motivation that I get from you, that I think I can't compare with anything else. I mean, मेरा effort तो है ठीक है, but effort is because of the motivation. And what happens is once you start seeing the results,
Yeah.
I think that is where it kind of all changes. So I can see that there's a lifestyle change, there's a portion control, all of these things have come in. I mean, I couldn't have done it without you, hands down.
Thank you so much. But I also want to say that there are a lot of people who get the diet plans, and it's all about how consistent you are also in your journey, because you have been with me since so long. So uska bhi farak padta hai, definitely. So it is a teamwork. I believe that what I am doing is not enough if you are not following it. So it is always a team effort, and that is why you are achieving the results. Plus you are so patient. आप वेट लॉस प्लेटो हिट करने के बाद भी इतने पेशेंट हो, सो दैट इज आल्सो समथिंग व्हिच it keeps you going through your journey. Disappointment is just going to pull you down, so it is up to you where you want to take it, basically. Yeah,
I mean it's like, there's no looking back after this. So definitely that thing is there, that I can't go back to where I was.
Yeah.
So Abhi, I think it's been about 5 months and I've lost almost 14 kgs.
Yeah.
So, and going back to that, I can't even think, right? I mean, from all aspects.
Yeah.
So, I mean,
and in the middle, you have enjoyed your little trips also, by the way.
हाँ, I have been to my hometown. Hometown में तो आपको पता है खाने वाने का कोई restriction होता नहीं है. Then I've been on trips because I love traveling. I can't give up on traveling. Traveling जाओ तो खाना ही है. So I went to Udaipur. I hogged on food like anything in between. Yeah. But वो सब करके भी it was like, you can come back, you can enjoy everything, but you can come back and go back to your lifestyle and your weight will automatically, come down.
Yeah.
So
that
and
is the power of learning a healthy lifestyle, how you can manage with what you have at the moment and don't regret. Look, you can't stop enjoying your life. That is why I never stop someone कि अरे vacation पे जाना नहीं कर सकते because diet पे हो, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. You know it how I work. So I always give it that okay, but हाँ वापस आके complain नहीं करना है कि देखो वजन बढ़ गया, because you have done it. वजन तो बढ़ेगा, but let's work on reducing the gained weight. That's what you shouldn't think about what's gone. So enjoy, at least you enjoy it. That is the purpose. You shouldn't focus on.
Yeah, and this is not like a fat diet कि आज कर लिया कल कम हो गया परसों बढ़ गया, वो चीज तो नहीं है, because it's a permanent lifestyle change.
True.
And that's why I think I now I'm not worried to take trips or anything, because I know if I go and eat outside also, I'll come back and I'll lose my weight. And honestly, Ajra, I mean, all this learning and confidence and all of that has, I mean, it has come from you.
Thank you.
So if you
No,
were
very
not there,
generous. So I'm happy. Next phase yahi hoga that let's focus on breaking the plateau and then entering the 60s, and then we'll see how much time will it take. But just be patient and consistent, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay.
absolutely, absolutely. And thank you so much for this call and talking to me.
I'm
Thank you
happy
so much.
that you are relaxed a bit, and now let's continue the journey and see how it goes. Okay. Okay. Take
Yeah.
care. Bye.
Okay.
Smita is a client from Bangalore. She came to me at a weight of 84 kgs. She signed up at 84 kgs, and in a span of 6 months, she has lost somewhere around 18 kgs. Abhi unka current weight 66 kgs hai, which is amazing. She is more positive than ever, more lively than ever, more energetic than ever. डाइट की वजह से उनकी स्किन का टेक्सचर बहुत इंप्रूव हुआ है, क्लीन ईटिंग की वजह से उनका लाइफस्टाइल बहुत इंप्रूव हुआ है, her gut has improved, and not only that, you will be shocked to listen to her inch loss. When she reached out to me, this was her inches, this was her body stats, and now this is her body stats. So can you see the difference? Total overall body say 18 inches ka fat loss hona is amazing. So that is why she has made on YouTube on my channel, because I wanted you guys to get motivated from her. शी हैज़ her family, she has her commitments. हमेशा एक women की life में क्या प्रॉब्लम एक हर्डल बनती है इन देयर हेल्थ. फैमिली के ध्यान रखने के चक्कर में हम अपनी हेल्थ को रूइन कर देते हैं, या हम अपनी हेल्थ पे इतना ध्यान नहीं दे पाते. बट शी इज अ वुमन हु हैज टू हैव ऑल, who does all those things, who has all the responsibilities which you and I have, and still has accomplished her goal. सो अल्टीमेटली इस वीडियो बनाने का मकसद क्या है? बनाने का मकसद यही है कि मैं आप लोगों को मोटिवेट करूं, इनकरेज करूं कि आप भी ये जर्नी फुलफिल कर सकते हो, आप भी अपने गोल्स को रीच कर सकते हो इफ यू गेट डेडिकेटेड इनफ इन योर जर्नी. अगर हाथ धो के पीछे पड़ जाओगे सो मिलेगा रिजल्ट. हरगिज ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. आई हैव इन माई जर्नी ऑफ 3 years not seen a single client not lose weight and reach her goal अगर उन्होंने शिद्दत से चाहा है. ऑफ कोर्स मैंने ओवर 4,000 लोगों को कोच किया है, ट्रेन किया है एज ए न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट. तो बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जिनके रिजल्ट्स उतने ज़्यादा हैपनिंग या astonishing नहीं होते हैं, बट कहीं ना कहीं एक टीम एफर्ट में लैक करने की वजह से ये हो सकता है, कहीं ना कहीं उतना डेडिकेशन ना होने की वजह से ये हो सकता है. इफ यू पुट इन द एफर्ट यू आर गोइंग टू सी द रिजल्ट्स व्हेन इट कम्स टू फिटनेस, फैट लॉस, वेट लॉस, मसल बिल्डिंग. if it is, and that's just physical efforts, physically आप input करोगे, efforts करोगे, you are going to get the results just like Smita did, and this is her amazing transformation. I'm super proud of her. And at the end I would like to say कि उन्होंने कोई एक्सपेंसिव डाइट, कोई भी फैट डाइट, कोई ऐसा डाइट फॉलो नहीं किया मेरे साथ जिसमें उनको ड्रास्टिक रिजल्ट्स मिले. इसीलिए 18 kgs ऑफ वेट लॉस इन 6 months इज अ प्रिटी ग्रेजुअल वे ऑफ लूजिंग वेट, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, शी इज वेरी हैप्पी. सो don't chase for unrealistic goals and unrealistic results. It doesn't work like that, unfortunately. Chase for results which are fruitful for you, which serve your mind, soul and body, all three of them, which do not make you cranky or angry all the time because you're on the diet. Just enjoy the journey, enjoy your journey, so that you can guide and encourage and motivate others as well. अगर आप हमेशा दुखी रहोगे, चिड़चिड़े रहोगे डाइट करते वक्त, तो लोग देख के भी यही सोचेंगे हेल्दी ईटिंग में क्या रखा है. बट हेल्दी ईटिंग इफ डन strategically in a well balanced, disciplined way, you can enjoy and still make it happen, and that is what she did. She visited I think 2 places during this entire journey. She did travel, she came back. हमने उनको कोई सडन डिटॉक्स या सडन जूस क्लेंस पे नहीं डाला, एंड वी ग्रेजुअली पिक फ्रॉम वेयर वी लेफ्ट, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू विथ यू इफ यू साइन अप फॉर द प्रोग्राम. या अगर मेरे एग्जिस्टिंग मील प्लान्स को फॉलो करना चाहते हो तो भी डिसिप्लिन वे में अगर करोगे, यू आर शॉर्टली गोइंग टू गेट द रिजल्ट्स. इफ यू वांट टू साइन अप फॉर माई प्रोग्राम, यू कैन रीच आउट टू मी वाया दिस नंबर. यहाँ पे मेरी टीम एसोसिएट मिलेंगी आपको, दिव्या, जो आपको सारी गाइडलाइंस के थ्रू लेके जाएंगी. एंड इफ यू थिंक दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू वर्क आउट फॉर यू, यू एंड आई कैन बी अ team to work on your journey. Feel free to reach out, feel free to sign up for my program, and we can start a healthy lifestyle modification journey, a healthy living journey, a healthy fulfilling weight loss transformation journey with each other on the same page. With that, I come to the end of this video. I hope you got motivated to kickstart your journey. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप किसी program में sign up करो. You can do it on your own as well. Just the discipline is needed. Motivation is overrated. All you need is discipline to reach your goals, and that is how Smita reached her goal. I hope this video helped you in motivating you and getting you out of that couch. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, signing off, nutritionist Azra Khan. Stay fit, stay happy, stay healthy. Goodbye.